Today we're going to talk about some CFLs, and these are really cool. So let's get started. So today I would like to show you these IKEA red CFLs that I have over here. Now I have picked up these at the flea market, so they are therefore not new, or at least not out of the store. Let's have a look at the back of the package. We can see that it is energy efficiency class G, although since we have no A+, and this is an older CFL, this is still not that efficient. But anyway, we have here 7 watt or 10,000 hour lifetime, which is okay, I would guess. So yeah, here we have some symbols over here, and interestingly enough, we have a little text over here that says enter IKEA systems P 2005. So this light bulb could be from 2005, but whatever. Let's actually take a look. They have been packed like this, not very special in my opinion. And now I'm going to take a bulb out. And now I'm back with the light bulb. So let's actually see. We have the IKEA brand over here in yellow, and of course some of the information. We can see that it outputs 50. Oh, I think it says actually 5 lumens, so I'm not really sure. Anyway, 7 watt. So yeah, let's actually shoot us and let's actually test it. Okay, this is not that dark, but it doesn't matter. Let's actually test it. Now did you see that preheat? That was a pretty nice preheat. I can definitely see that the lamp is pretty red. But something that I noticed is that it could also be white, or at least it has a red cover. Either way, it is very interesting. Here is the desk illuminated by the CFL, and it is pretty cool. The reason I call this interesting, or say so, is because it actually outputs a pretty good red, although it might be some other color underneath. Still, it outputs a pretty red color, at least it feels very red-ish, so I am pretty sure that this is still just a cover, but it makes good. I still can kinda see when I'm looking at a little bit of hint of white. So it could be that. Yeah, I definitely think that this is a pretty cool light bulb. At least, in my opinion, it makes a pretty good red color, and yeah, although it's not bright, I will give that, it is still pretty cool. And hey, it's an IKEA CFL, something a little bit more rare for me in this case. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I have an astrophotography website, so go check that out. I have a video which is in there, you have the link and you can click it and you will be taken to the website. Anyway, thanks, and especially if you have enjoyed and watched this video till here, props to you. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.